Hi guys, I'm Geetika, Quickbooks Pro Advisor, and today I'm going to give you a quick and a very great tip related to expenses by vendor report. Let's get started. So for this, what you have to do is go to the report section and type in expenses. So you'll get this report, expenses by vendor summary. And what you have to do is you can sort this, in descending order. And you'll get to know from each vendor what have you expensed out in your business. Okay, and there's this great thing here called not specified. So if you have not specified any vendor, it will come here and you can click on it and just click on each and assign a vendor. Now this generally happens when you use bank categorization and you didn't assign a pay to it. So what you have to do is go inside it manually and assign a pay here. Okay, now that's about this report. Now there's this amazing secret report which I personally love because it helps me to determine whether the bank categorization is done correctly or not. So what you have to do is go to the P&L and just go to total expenses, and what you have to do is group by vendor and then just run the report. So here what is happening is vendor wise we get to know whether the expenses have been correctly categorized or not. So let's see this one, Ellie's equipment rental. So we can see that the memo description is this and it is assigning with the particular vendor. Okay, so if the description here must be something strange, like something related to bakery, and if it's here, I'll get to know that the categorization is done wrongly. So this is a great way, to do quarterly analysis of whether the categorization is done perfectly, vendor wise. Now you can also hide it from here if you don't want to see a vendor. So that was about today's tip. Do let me know how do you find it in the comment section, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.